going to give a briefing about the ACT's science section, because it's what scares a lot of people, and needlessly so. I want to make sure people realize that that section is not based on some physics course that your student might not have taken yet, or took and didn't do very well, or a biology, or a chemistry, or an earth science. The ACT science is literally called science reasoning. Reasoning is the biggest component. This is done from data that kids have never seen before. In other words, the kids who did do well in physics, chemistry, biology, they don't come in with an inherent advantage. Reasoning is done from new stuff, data, and some partial explanations about causes. Anyone can interpret causes and effects, and that's what a typical ACT science practice test and real test does in the fourth section. Here's an example of a practice test. And here's a couple topics. How fruit flies with certain smell abilities have longer or shorter life expectancies. Then there's monarch butterflies and how far they will travel given different diets. Then there's greenhouse gas emissions and the warming potentially of Earth's climates. What else might they show? Ooh, gnarly charts. But those charts, again, are interpretable to the non-scientist. Lawyers can interpret this fine. Artists can interpret this fine. It takes some coaching, and Ivy Bound does it well. More in here. We've got, the drag on pulling blocks across different surfaces. Another is the acid-base indicators for different types of rosins. And finally, I like this, drilling mud and the clay particle suspension in water given different climates. Okay? None of these are given in a standard physics, chemistry, or biology textbook. You're all at an even playing field. Don't be afraid. Now, here is one thing that is fearsome. The pace. The pace of the science section is very, very rapid. And our coaching helps kids get through it. But one thing that I really love to hear is that a student might actually be awarded extra time. And if you have that status on the ACT, you're getting an abnormally good benefit, because the fast pace on the science and the fairly fast pace on the reading give the student who's been granted 50% extra time a relatively huge advantage compared to everyone else who's furiously, frustratingly often getting through the passages and sometimes not even finishing. I hope this is helpful. We welcome your participation.